Hi everybody, this is CR number 11, helper video number 3. I'm going to start by reading the directions which only say simplify. And the reason why I'm not solving for n in this situation is because there is no equal sign. So remember on this one, we're just going to be combining like terms and simplifying. Well, first of all, I have to look inside these brackets to see if there's anything that I can do to get rid of these parentheses. Well, guess what? There's nothing in front of the parentheses to distribute, so all I have to do is bring them down. So I'm going to go ahead and write 5n minus 4 plus, and there's nothing here to distribute, it's just a positive 1. And if I were to multiply positive 1 times both things inside those parentheses, all I get is 3n minus 7n, because anything times a positive 1 is itself. I then go ahead and bring down this negative 1. Now if you notice, I have n's, and then I have no's, which remember are constants. I just write no's because it's a faster way to say no variable. Under my n's, I have a 5n, I have a positive 3n, and I have a negative 7n. Under my no's, I have a negative 4, and I have a negative 1. So now I'm going to go ahead and combine both. Well, 5n plus 3n is 8n. 8n's minus 7n is 1n. If I have 4 negatives here and 1 more negative, I have a total of 5 negatives. Well, that was an easy one. N minus 5 is my answer. Bam, there it is. Good luck.